This video will guide you on how to activate and connect your smartphone using Android Auto and Apple CarPlay in your Opel Astra K from 2015 to 2022. These systems allow you to mirror your phone's features for safer hands-free use. This guide applies as of December 30th, 2025, but compatibility can vary by model year and trim level. We'll cover activation, connection, and troubleshooting to ensure a seamless experience. Most Opel Astra K models with IntelliLink or multimedia systems support Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Check your infotainment system software version in the car's menu. Models from 2015-2017 might need a firmware update, while 2018 Plus models usually have native support. You'll need a compatible smartphone, Android 8.0 Plus or iOS 8.0 Plus, and a USB port. Some 2020 to 2022 models offer wireless mirroring. Ensure your phone has a data plan for real-time features. For Android Auto, first download the Android Auto app from the Google Play Store if it's not already on your phone. Apple CarPlay is already built into iOS, so no additional download is needed. Enable Bluetooth on your phone to allow pairing with the car's system. Enable location services on your phone for proper navigation and mapping functionality. Finally, make sure your phone is unlocked and ready for connection to the car's system. Start your Opel Astra K by turning the ignition key or pressing the start button. Plug your phone into the car's USB port located in the center console using a certified cable to ensure proper connection. The infotainment system should automatically detect your phone and display a prompt on the screen. Select the appropriate option, Android Auto or Apple CarPlay, from the menu on the car's screen. On your phone, grant the necessary permissions such as access to notifications and contacts to complete the setup. If your Opel Astra K supports wireless connectivity, which is primarily available in 2020 and later models, begin by pairing your phone via Bluetooth. Go to your car's Bluetooth settings and connect to your phone, making sure Bluetooth is enabled on your device. Next, enable wireless mirroring in the car's infotainment settings. Select the option for wireless CarPlay or Android Auto and turn it on. This allows your phone to connect without cables. Finally, follow the on-screen prompts to complete the wireless connection. The system will guide you through granting permissions and setting up the mirroring. Remember to keep Bluetooth enabled on your phone during the entire process. Once connected, you can use voice assistants like Google Assistant or Siri for hands-free control. Access navigation apps like Google Maps or Apple Maps for turn-by-turn directions. Stream music from Spotify or Apple Music while driving. Make calls or send messages without touching your phone. Utilize safety features like Do Not Disturb mode to minimize distractions while driving. If your phone isn't recognized, try restarting both your phone and the car's infotainment system. Check for software updates via Opel OnStar if available, or visit a dealership for firmware updates. An outdated cable can also cause issues, so try a different certified USB cable. Older systems may require app downgrades for compatibility with newer phone OS versions. Stellantis, Opel's parent company since 2021, provides over-the-air updates to enhance Android Auto and Apple CarPlay on the Astra K. These updates improve integration, add features, and ensure compatibility with newer phone operating systems. As of 2025, over-the-air updates have enabled Android Auto and Apple CarPlay support on 90% of Astra K variants, with Stellantis continuing to expand this through their connected services ecosystem. Looking ahead, Stellantis plans to phase out wired connections by 2030, with wireless becoming standard. By 2025, 75% of new cars globally support wireless CarPlay, and Android Auto is following suit. AI integration will enhance features, with 50% of infotainment interactions projected to be AI-based by 2026, enabling complex voice commands and predictive routing for safer, more efficient driving. Prioritize safety. Use voice commands for all interactions while driving, and complete setup only when stationary. Research indicates that integrated systems like CarPlay and Android Auto can reduce distracted driving incidents by 20%, with CarPlay specifically cutting crash risks by 15%. For personalized assistance, consult your Opel dealer or the official Opel website, where you can find the most current information on updates and compatibility.